Hello friends, welcome back. Today I have the Auray dual clamp-on headphone hanger with padded cradles and a 360 rotation. You would typically use this on your table to clamp it on and hang your headphones. Be perfect for gaming and for your office. So here we go. You would typically unscrew this and clamp it on your table, and it can rotate, as you can see right there. I have a headphone here, and you would clamp this part on the table and hang that like so. So there you have it. This is the Auray dual clamp-on headphone hanger. And once again, thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.